Next and the last of the that is important document used in the formation of a company, we have to be discussed earlier: memorandum of association, article of association, and the last is the prospectus. So the prospectus are very important document in which they contain all the details regarding the company and their affairs, and they can be issued in the public. So the public limited company, a public limited company by shares must issue the prospectus. If it wants to make an appeal to the public subscription to its shareholders or debentures. According to the Company Act 2013, a prospectus is a document that invites deposit of offers of public of the subscription or purchase of shares or debentures of a body corporation. So prospector is inviting a deposit and offering of the public of the subscription of the company. In general, we can say prospector includes all documents which invite general public to invite their money in the security of a company. The essential element of a prospectus are as follows. The first is these must be invited in the public at large number. Second, the invitation must be made by one or on behalf of the company. The third is the invitation must be to subscribe to or purchase its shares or debenture. So the shareholders and the debenture holder can know about the prospectus. They fill the application for shares and the debenture and send to the company. So they allot the number of shares and debenture. So the prospectus is important document while in the formation of a company. So the shareholders or debenture holders know how they fill, what is the price, what is the company, what is the motive of the company, what type of business they have to be run, and the objectives of a company. So the prospectus is important document. While they were filling the prospectus, then they issue and allot the shares or debentures by the company. Thank you.